How to unlock the ZTE U30 Air 5G mobile hotspot. This guide also works for the ZTE U30 Air Pro and all U30 Air variants. So if that's your router, let's get started. You will need three things: your router's IMEI number, a device connected to the router's Wi-Fi, and an internet connection to purchase the unlock code. On any device connected to the U30 Air's Wi-Fi, open a browser and go to 192.168.0.1. You will see the ZTE login page. Enter the admin password printed on the label on the back of the device, then click Login. Once logged in, go to System, then Device Information. Scroll down to find the IMEI number and note it down. You will need it to order the unlock code. Head to techunlockhub.com. On the home page, you will see a search box. Paste your IMEI and click Search. The website automatically detects your U30 Air model and shows the ZTE unlock code service. Select your payment method and complete the purchase. Your unlock code will arrive by email, usually within 1 to 3 business days. When the code arrives, power off the router and insert a SIM card from a different network. Log back in to 192.168.0.1 and click on Network in the sidebar. You will see a message saying the network is locked. Paste your unlock code into the field and click OK. The router will apply the code and reconnect. The home page now shows a 5G connection. The unlock was successful. Your U30 Air can now be used with any SIM card from any network, anywhere in the world. Need help with the unlock? Contact us on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Messenger. All links are in the description below. And subscribe for more router and modem unlock guides every week.